met you only in the month of March, but there is something special that is happening. Um, we are excited about this, so we thought we will share. It's going to move to a different level altogether because we have been looking forward to when this 5.5 to 6 million will be 10 million. That's where we are. So we continue with our channel expansion in all formats, whether it is modern retail, whether it is power retailers, whether it is sales and service dealers, normal retailers, and digital. In all parts, we have been expanding. And in some months, we are the leaders in commercial air conditioning business, like VRFs and package air conditioning. Otherwise, in Tamil Nadu, we should be a number one player for sure in ducted air conditioning, close number two in VRF. So that business. The only problem is the big real estate developers. Other than that, the year has been going on there. So the India continues to be around 5 point. Every year we have grown faster than the market, and we continue to maintain that. Our estimate is this year the market should end anywhere between 10 to 12% more by March. We should be growing anywhere between 15 to 17. That goal we keep in mind. A person who is endorsing it, and it has to have a right fit with our marketing strategy covering the other aspects. And so today we have made that big leap. So we are unveiling Virat Kohli's association with Blue Star's room air conditioners. So we have a new TV commercial, few more TV commercials will follow. And it raises this question whether they are 50% more. It is not. It is that campaign is talking about 1.5 ton air conditioners will be at home, family and friends. It can deliver more. These two are distinctly different. So we are sticking to that value proposition of up to 30% extra cooling when needed, and endorsed by Virat emphatically, as owned by Virat, loved by Virat. This is the new campaign about.
It cools perfectly when Virat is in the room. It gives 30% more cooling when there are more Virats in the room. Owned by Virat, loved by Virat. Blue Star Inverter ACs with 30% more cooling.
As well. Virat himself would have been pleased to be there here today. That was the original idea, but there is an ongoing test match series that is there. I'm not able to present Virat to you, but I have pleasure in presenting the lookalikes. At this time, I want to remind you there are other features in the air conditioners in select models with the integrated air purification technology, which was our ambition to do away with the air purifier but integrate it there up to 19.99% effective kill bacteria and eliminate PM 2.5. These models are already available in the market, and you have the next gen in select models again. And so